Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common sexual health condition affecting millions of men worldwide. While there are several medical treatments available to address ED, many individuals are turning to natural remedies, including certain drinks, to help improve their sexual function. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective and scientifically backed drinks to help combat erectile dysfunction and enhance your sexual health. There are several types of drinks that have been suggested to potentially help improve erectile dysfunction, ED. However, it is important to note that ED can have many different underlying causes, and while some of these drinks may be helpful for certain individuals, they may not work for everyone. Here are some drinks that have been suggested to potentially help with ED. Number 1. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is high in antioxidants, which can help improve blood flow. Some studies have suggested that drinking pomegranate juice may help improve ED symptoms. Pomegranate juice is a natural drink that has gained attention for its potential benefits in improving erectile dysfunction. It is made from the fruit of the pomegranate tree, which is native to the Middle East but is now grown in many parts of the world. Pomegranate juice may help improve erectile dysfunction by increasing blood flow to the penis. This is because pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which help protect the lining of blood vessels from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. As a result, blood vessels are better able to dilate and allow for increased blood flow, which is essential for achieving and maintaining an erection. In addition to its potential benefits for erectile dysfunction, pomegranate juice has other health benefits as well. It has been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Pomegranate juice is also rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and potassium, and has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Number 2. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is also high in antioxidants, and it contains an amino acid called citrulline that can help improve blood flow. Some studies have suggested that drinking watermelon juice may help improve ED symptoms. Watermelon is a fruit that is rich in an amino acid called citrulline, which is converted into arginine in the body. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a substance that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow throughout the body, including the penis. This improved blood flow can help improve erectile dysfunction in men. In addition to its potential benefits for erectile dysfunction, watermelon juice is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that can help protect the body against cellular damage. Number 3. Beet juice. Beets are high in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow. Beet juice is a drink made from the juice of red beets. It is a rich source of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, which means it relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing for improved blood flow. Improved blood flow is beneficial for people with erectile dysfunction because it can help to improve the strength and duration of erections. In addition to its effects on blood flow, beet juice may also help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is high in compounds called catechins, which can help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Green tea is a type of tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which have a number of health benefits, including improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. These properties make green tea potentially beneficial for people with erectile dysfunction. One way that green tea can help improve erectile dysfunction is by increasing blood flow to the penis. The polyphenols in green tea can help to relax the blood vessels in the penis, allowing more blood to flow in and creating a stronger, longer-lasting erection. Green tea is also rich in the amino acid L-theanine, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can contribute to erectile dysfunction, so reducing these factors can also help to improve symptoms. Its potential benefits for improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and reducing stress and anxiety make it a promising option for those looking to improve their sexual function. Number 5. Red wine. Red wine contains a compound called resveratrol, which can help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Red wine is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes. It contains a variety of compounds, including polyphenols such as resveratrol and quercetin, that have been shown to have potential benefits for erectile dysfunction, ED. Resveratrol, in particular, has been studied for its potential to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, which are both important factors in ED. Studies have found that resveratrol can increase nitric oxide production, which helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This improved blood flow can lead to better erectile function. Quercetin is another polyphenol found in red wine that has potential benefits for ED. Like resveratrol, it has been shown to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, which can help improve erectile function. It may also have antioxidant properties that can protect against oxidative stress, which has been linked to ED. However, it's important to note that excessive alcohol consumption can have negative effects on erectile function and overall health. Consuming too much red wine or any other alcoholic beverage can lead to dehydration, which can worsen ED symptoms. Additionally, alcohol can affect testosterone levels and interfere with other bodily functions that are important for sexual health. Therefore, it's important to consume red wine in moderation and talk to a healthcare provider before using it as a treatment for ED. Number 6. Ginseng tea. Ginseng tea is a beverage made from the root of the ginseng plant, which is a traditional herbal remedy that has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. Ginseng contains several active compounds, including ginsenosides, which are believed to have a number of health benefits, including the potential to improve erectile dysfunction. Ginseng can help improve erectile function by increasing blood flow to the penis and promoting relaxation of the smooth muscle tissue in the penis. Additionally, ginseng has been found to improve overall sexual function and satisfaction in men. Other potential benefits of ginseng tea include improved immune function, reduced inflammation, and enhanced mental performance. However, it is important to note that ginseng can interact with certain medications, so it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before using ginseng or any other herbal remedy to treat erectile dysfunction or other health conditions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on erectile dysfunction. Also, don't forget to check out the simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your own home by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.